Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing a day in the life. So it's the morning and we're just getting ready for school and have a couple errands to run. Today I'm going to go ahead and go to the grocery store. I'm going to go to Winco today instead of doing the Walmart grocery pickup. So yeah, just come along with us. So I just put dinner in the crock pot before leaving for school this morning, and we are having shredded beef tacos today. So this is a machaca beef recipe, and I'm filming it, so I'm going to post that as a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Stop number one is a car wash. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you I have my grocery list here on the Walmart app, and the total is $127, so a little over our budget, and I might not get everything on here because I have quite a bit, but I'm going to use this to shop at Winco and then also to just kind of compare the prices. That's what I like to do. So if you know me or are familiar with my channel, I do a lot of grocery hauls, and I love doing the Walmart grocery pickup. It's just more convenient, but every now and again I like to go out to the store. So today I'm going to Winco, and just got the car washed and vacuumed it out, and it's super cold, so I'm kind of regretting that, but anyway, we'll see. And then I also just wanted to show you guys my nails. I did just film a nail video, like how I do my nails and get them to last, and they're just barely starting to chip today. I don't know if you can tell on the edges here, but this is day 5. So I painted my nails on a Friday and today is Wednesday, so they look pretty good for 5 days. And mind you, I'm a nurse and I use a lot of alcohol, sanitizer, and wash my hands a ton and stuff like that, so it's held up pretty good, and it would last even longer if I did another step. But anyway, if that video is not out yet, it'll be coming out soon. If it is, I'll link it here in this, in an iCard above. Okay, so we just got back from the grocery store. This is all the stuff we got. I made a video doing a haul, so stay tuned for that. And now just time to put all the groceries away. Hey, just checking in. It is about 12:30. I just got done editing a video. I recently did my manicure, so I think I showed that earlier in this vlog, but it's my manicure that I'm editing, so that's processing right now. I will show you. And Blake is over here just relaxing. I'm gonna be making us lunch soon. Say hi, Blake. What you watching?
Raiden.
Huh?
Raiden.
Raiden?
Raiden.
Raiden. Yeah. So Blake loves watching these little YouTube shows too, with the little boys doing their toy reviews. So that's what he's doing.
Hi. Hi.
So Blake's having pizza for lunch. This is just leftovers from last night's dinner. Okay, so this is a state of my room right now. I don't know why, but my room always seems to get so messy really fast. I worked out in here the other day and left my bra in here. So yeah, I just have clothes. I have a load of towels here that are clean that I have to put away. And another thing that I'm gonna do is wash my makeup brushes. I have a friend on Instagram. She has her own little page. She's really into like natural makeup and stuff. I can leave her Instagram account down below. But anyway, she'll remind her followers, I forget what she calls it, Wash Me Wednesday or something like that, to wash your makeup brushes. So it's a good little reminder on Wednesdays. Don't forget to wash your makeup brushes if you can remember. Just helps keep them clean and prevents spreading bacteria in your face. So there they are, all clean. I only use a handful of brushes each day when I get ready, so that's it. Okay, so my bedroom is cleaned up. I picked it up a little bit and gonna head downstairs and have Blake work on some activity books for a little bit. Who's here?
I think it's brothers or dad. I don't know.
Oh, that's weird.
Donna wants me to do it.
Yeah. Letter A.
I did it. Actually, I did it wrong.
What's that?
A moon guy. Mom,
You know what it's called?
Mom, I think B starts
You know what
with.
it's called? Astronaut.
I think B starts with moon. Moon.
One is mommy and
Oh.
McDonald's.
Good. G for game.
Blake is in preschool right now. It's his second year in preschool and he starts kindergarten in the fall. Blake, show them where you wrote your name. Right there. B-L-A. Oh, you didn't finish the A.
I did. That's A.
You gotta do the little loop on the end. B-L-A-K-E. The little anchor was in the way.
But it's supposed to be like this.
Try writing it again right here. Write it right there. Write your name.
B.
Is that the way a B goes?
Yeah.
That looks backwards. I think it goes the other way. Start over here and then go that way.
It is backwards.
Yeah, it goes like that. Okay, turn it upside
Actually,
down.
that's more bigger, so that's upside down.
Yeah, so write it like that. Go this way. Blake.
Actually, I'm gonna color in the B. Because I want to. I like to color in stuff.
You like the color? Well, why don't you color a picture? Look, I've got, who is this over here? Blaze.
I don't know how to color, please.
You've got a Blaze coloring book.
I know how to do.
This only has a couple hours left. It's 1:13, so at around 3 o'clock, I'll go ahead and shred it. And let's see. Then there's a warm button, and I'll just keep it warm until dinner time. But yeah, it's smelling good. It smells so good. This stuff is like the best meat ever. This is like restaurant style shredded beef, you guys. So if you like that kind of stuff, you need to try this recipe. Okay, so we just got home from picking up the boys from school and we got a couple packages to open. This was in the mail. The other package that the camera's sitting on is a package I got a few days ago. So I will go through those, both of these. So this here, if you can't tell, it's from Ulta. They were having their sale on shampoos. So I went ahead and got a couple of their liters. I did go get my hair cut at the salon, and she recommended, because my hair has been bleached and colored over, she recommended that I still treat it like it's bleached and to get a strengthening shampoo. So I got the Paul Mitchell Super Strong shampoo and conditioner. And then I went through Ebates for this order, by the way, and like I said, this was a sale. These were like $15.99 each. But I went through Ebates and then I used my, like the online $3.50 off coupon. And then in order to get free shipping, I had to spend a certain amount of money. I think it was like $50. So I went ahead and got this. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff works really good. And then I thought I would try this coconut oil. What is this? A Nourishing Deep Conditioner. So that's what I ordered from Ulta. And let's go ahead and open the other package. So this other box is from Young Living. I ordered the essential oil kit. It was on sale. So normally it's like $160. I got it for $144. My friend sells this. And she just wrote me today and was asking if I've opened the kit yet, because I've got it a few days ago and I hadn't opened it yet. So I told her no, but I will open it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and just show you everything that comes in the kit. So here's a box that looks like this. And this is what has all the oils in it. And then this is the diffuser. And it comes with a book, a product guide. And I am a part of a group on Facebook. It's really informative. It tells you how to use your oils and different things. Oh, this is a cool book. So this just has everything, like skincare, makeup, and all the oils. Very cool. And then this is The Remarkable Life of D. Gary Young. So just want to shout out to my friend Ellen if you're watching. Hey girl, thanks for my kit. So let me go ahead and show you what the diffuser looks like. And then I'll show you all the oils that I got. So here is the diffuser. Looks like this. It's really pretty. Okay. And I know I've used other oils and stuff in the past, and I still do, but there is something to be said with these Young Living oils. I do not sell this, just so you know. So I'm not making any money off of this. But I do know that these are 100% pure essential oils, and that they're like some of the highest quality oils out there. Okay, so here is the actual container with all the oils in it. And again, it just comes with a little section here. This, I think, explains the Essential Rewards program, which I haven't signed up for just yet. But here's all of the oils that it comes with. So there's 10 oils here. And let's go through them. So these have the Vitality ones up here that are in white, and then just the regular ones down here on the bottom. So I don't know if it's focusing good enough or not, but we've got lemon, and I don't know if I'm going to say this right, copaiba, digize, thieves, peppermint, panaway, raven, citrus fresh, frankincense, and lavender. So these two, like I said, I already have a kit that I bought a few years ago, but I have run out of some of them. I ordered a separate lavender. It's a lot bigger when you order them separately and a lot more money. But these two I use with coconut oil as like a face cream at night that I use, that I love. So it's really relaxing because it's got the lavender in it, and frankincense is really good for your skin. And then let me see what is in this little container here. This just has the plug for the thing. So I think that's everything. I thought there was another little sample of something, but I guess not. I'm not seeing it. So yeah, the 10 oils. So she told me that I need to open it up and diffuse citrus fresh and peppermint, a few drops of each. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, look at that. So I just took this out. I was wondering where the other stuff was. I just popped this out. And then under here, you've got your Thieves Household Cleaner, which I actually have this. I bought it again a few years ago. I barely even use it, which I know is bad. I really should, but I have a ton of cleaners. So this is just a little sample packet, but I do use this at the church I go to. I help clean, and it cleans really well and disinfects. So I know this stuff is good, and it smells good too. Then there's 2 of these. I can never say this right. Zinc Chared, I don't know. Probably botching that too. But 2 of these energy fortified little drinks. Came with an extra little oil, Stress Away. And then this says love it, share it, repeat. So you can make little cards, I think, and hand them out to your friends with the little essential oils on here. You put what it is, and then you can put them in little containers. This is so cute and such a good idea, especially to help spread the word. But comes with, I think, 10 of these little containers to mix up your own and then share them with friends. So yeah, I'm excited to try this, or I should say to continue using them, just using them more. And lastly, it comes with a little tiny roller ball and lid. So that way you can pop it on any one of these, or I think also one of these sample ones. I don't know. I actually have roller balls, but yeah, you can pop them on and then use it, like roll it on your skin that way. So very cool. You can use this in so many ways. I'm excited to make some new concoctions with it and keep you all posted. Okay, so I've got it going. I did put distilled water in there, which is what you should be using. And then I've put a few drops of the peppermint and the citrus fresh. Dinner is done. I've shredded the meat. So stay tuned, like I said, for this video on how to make this delicious meat. Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here. It's been a long one, so hopefully you've enjoyed this video and enjoyed coming along with me on my day at home. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.